3 electric motors equals 907 total horses. 0 to 62 in 2.7 seconds. Top speed 213 miles per hour, and it's a plug-in hybrid that can ghost through the city in pure EV silence. Torque vectoring e-AWD, 13 drive modes. Launch control under a red fighter jet flap. It's faster, grippier, and somehow greener than the Huracán ever was. Interior and tech. Inside feels like a spaceship that won the lottery. 3 giant screens. Passenger gets their own display to flex on Instagram. Seats now fit humans over 6 foot, and you actually climb in without dislocating a hip. Carbon wheel. Sonu's Faber Audio. Start button hidden under the red cover. Pure theater. Versatility. Not just a track weapon anymore. Front electric motors give it all-wheel grip for light gravel, snow, or that sketchy canyon road to your favorite lookout. Still 95% tarmac terrorist, but now it laughs at weather. Price and final verdict. Starts around $387,000. Yes, more than a Huracán, but you're getting tomorrow's tech today. Stiffer chassis, more space, hybrid punch, and that insane rev-happy V8. Lambo didn't just replace the Huracán. They executed it. Ultra. So V8, hybrid future, or V10 nostalgia? Drop your vote in the comments. Smash like if this thing gave you goosebumps, and subscribe for more Zero Chill car content. I'm out. Go make some noise.